A very warm welcome to the daily. We see that Bitcoin is now trading around 8,669, whereas the older alts are trading a little bit into the, and that means that dominance is now moving a little bit low. It is sitting at more or less 65%, much lower below 70%, which was being touched earlier. That's the news about Venezuela. Coins at half of the official price. So instead of 60 bucks, they are selling it now for 30 bucks. The Petro. And I was talking last week also about Ladron, the thief, and Maduro, the president, and that he wanted to dump or to buy to sell the petrol for Petro, and Venezuelans are reportedly selling the state-launched Petro, PTR, cryptocurrency that was airdropped to them recently, and though the government claims to have fixed the value of one Petro at $60, the market price in local bitcoins is reported to be only half of that. A Reddit thread, Venezuelans are turning to local bitcoins to sell their airdrop Petro amidst disastrous economic conditions. And this follows an airdrop to a claimed 6 million people in December. And the Reddit user claims that the government initially allowed the usage of Petro to buy products through a biometric app, but soon as it supported, and some government exchanges are reportedly to support PTR as well, but the exchange rates are deviating too much from the official price. And the only option left for Venezuelans appear to be local Bitcoin. Several listings can be found and that accept Petro in exchange for Bitcoin and other currencies. However, all of them appear to be currently inactive, and several listings were still shown on the main page as late as January 20. And if I take a look at the local Bitcoin or the listings, for instance, localbitcoins.com, which says buy Bitcoins online, and here we see that there's no currently active trades for this listing. That means for Petro. So the people are still suffering in Venezuela, and they are doomed to flee into the Bitcoin as a safe haven. But anyway, Petro is not an option. Finally, I would like to run through the crypto performance on finviz.com. It's a nice financial visualization of underlyings. Amongst of them are the cryptos, and here we see the Bitcoin Cash year-to-date relative performance in US dollars is more or less 70% higher, and LTC Litecoin 40% almost, Ethereum 30% almost, and XRP 22.6%, and Bitcoin it's nice decent 20%. Anyway, if we like to take a look more for more crypto related news or analysis, go to our Crypto Academy website. I wish you a very pleasant evening, of course, and finally I show you some charts about of different coins like Bitcoin in US dollars and also in Europe, Euro, and there you can see that it's strong. Bitcoin is strong against all crypto fiat currencies. For now, I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista.